Hi, student. Good evening. Now, today I will discuss regarding the ECMO. So, before going detail, Fatma is there.
Yes, sir. So shall we start now?
Yeah. So, Fatma, is there a part one student, EDIC one student also
Yeah, all the students have joined this
here?
session.
Or okay. So if in that case, I have to give first the ECMO overview, then I have to come to this session. So yeah, just a minute. Mhm. Mhm. Where's my- Anyway, I'm not able to go back. Yeah. So student, for part two student, the EDIC part two student, you just have to, you will get the ECMO as a your case variant, either from community acquired pneumonia to ARDS to ECMO, or road traffic accident followed by sepsis, followed by cardiomyopathy. Usually from the road traffic accident, they will not enter. Either they will enter from the pulmonary embolism, near arrest, and ECMO, or cardiogenic shock, then ECMO, or the commonly VV ECMO you will get from community acquired pneumonia, ARDS, then ECMO. But definitely you will get either VV ECMO or VA ECMO in your exam session. And for the student part one, you will get ECMO as a type A or K type question regarding the indication, regarding the management, regarding the anticoagulant, and also regarding the complication. So today my class focus on the CCS part 2 student mainly, but I requested Sana to allow part 1 student also. So this is your case, 34-year-old male, previously healthy, presented with fever, cough, progressive breathlessness for 7 days. He was diagnosed influenza A pneumonia and intubated 24 hours ago with severe hypoxemia, PO2 FiO2 ratio 58 mmHg, FiO2 is 1 and PEEP is 16. Plateau is 30 mmH2O despite optimized ARDS management. I'm not going to detail of ARDS management, focusing on the ECMO. Is the prone ventilation. You have given the neuromuscular blocking agent. You have done the lung protective strategy. Oxygenation remain poor. So, as a intensivist in the tertiary care hospital, what you do next? So, what are your immediate in managing this priority in managing this patient, and how will you confirm the diagnosis severity? So, who will volunteer? Who will do volunteer with me today? So, last day Priyanka was done. So, anyone, exam going student, anyone? Dr. Ankita?
This is going to be a very interactive session. Do participate in this.
Uh, Dr. Dr. Anika, are you ready? Dr. Anika?
Yes, sir.
Without yeah. So today you
Yes, sir, I can try.
yes, and no need to be scared. I am here to help you out. But what exactly I want to do more interactive, so more question we can take and we can go better way. So first thing is your first uh, is a severe ARDS case. Yes, you have
Yes.
done prone. So in ARDS, there are few questions examiner will ask about the definition, about your lungs protective ventilation strategy, how proning help in your oxygenation, the mechanism or principle. Then also you have to know the name of basic positive trial. The only name, if you can remember the year, that is okay. Otherwise, you have to utter the name like Procibatal in the prone
Okay.
ventilation, like Accurys trial in neuromuscular blocking agent, like low tidal volume in Armour trial, like FACT trial for your conservative fluid management. Is like that the big trial and positive trial. Okay. So
Okay,
here,
sir.
what is the what are your immediate priority in managing this patient?
So since the question it is given that we have tried all the tertiary measures like proning and other measures, so we will
Already
explain
done, already
patient
done.
yeah. So sir, we can
First,
explain for
আমি একটা ক্লাসে
ECMO.
আছি। হ্যাঁ, টমাটার কথা বলে নিচ্ছি। শোন, আমি হচ্ছে ক্লাসে আছি, 8:30টার পরে তোর সাথে কথা বলবো। So, regarding yes, continue, continue, please.
We can explain about the ECMO and there are like
Yes.
some
So here
indication
your
and
answer
all
will
those
be
indications.
yeah. Here your answer will be just sir, since we have done the all management to improve mortality and morbidity of severe ARDS like phoning, ventilation, neuromuscular blocking agent, and lungs protective strategy. Still, my patient is hypoxic, PO2, FiO2 58 means patient is in severe ARDS and PEEP is already high, plateau is maximal. So in that situation, I will go for ECMO. And if I see the Murare score saying, as per the Murare score, it's though the AVG is not provided here, but I assuming the ABG will be hypoxic. So, sir, since the persistent hypoxia, in spite of all measurement, we have only things that to make this mortality better or survival chance on ECMO and ECMO. That will be your answer.